going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here to GQR, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We do gentlemen's product review, style, and fitness here, so if you're about that, go ahead and hit that button right down there. Welcome, everyone. So today we're going to be checking out a brand new product for 2020. That's right, we're going to be checking out the brand new super hair fiber from a company called Hairbond, all the way from the United Kingdom. Now, this is their brand new hair fiber. Couldn't wait to check this out. Now, just like anything on this channel, it's going to be going over a couple things. We're going to be checking out the packaging, the scent, the texture, the application, and then my overall verdict on this hair fiber. Let's go ahead and get right into this and get right into the packaging. Alright, everyone, let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging. So you're looking at a 3.4 ounce all clear container with red lettering on it. Right there you can see it says Hairbond, United Kingdom, and right there you can see it says super professional hair fiber. The hold strength, which is a 4 out of 5. Some things about the products, the directions, I mean, just beautiful packaging right there. You can see it says paraben and sulfate free, which is always a good thing. And just the logo right there. And I mean, like I said, this is just probably as great as packaging gets. I mean, it looks like glass, but it's just really heavy duty plastic. Really beautiful, definitely really unique. Hairbond is known for just having some of the best packaging in the game. So definitely love the packaging. Alright, everyone, let's go ahead and go over the scent. So let's go ahead and bust this bad boy open. Ooh, man, this is just an amazing scent. It has supposed to be like a tutti frutti smell. To me, it smells like Skittles. It's, oh my god. They're known for amazing scents. I am yet to smell a bad Hairbond hair product. They all smell so great. This one, just like the rest of them, an amazing scent. I love it. Alright, everyone, let's go ahead and take a look at the texture. So let's go ahead and bust this bad boy open. And you can see you have a little freshless lid right there. And as you can see, you're looking at some great product. Now, this is definitely new. You don't really see great products too much, especially fibers. So I'm guessing because of the bentonite, maybe that's why I took this color. But it is what it is, something unique. So let's go ahead and get in there. And you do got to push a little bit. Now, this is a wax, and it feels super sticky, super waxy. Definitely doesn't feel, you do get a bit of a fiberish feel to it, but mostly it feels like a wax. And you go ahead and get in there, and it just starts breaking up super smooth. There's a bit of thickness to it, but it just, once you start emulsifying, as you can see, starts going invisible. Super smooth to the touch. So the texture is definitely very nice. Alright, everyone, let's go ahead and get into the application. So let's go ahead and bust this bad boy open, and let's take the little lid out. And let's go ahead and start off with just a bit of a dime size right there. Now, I found out with this product, and just to let you guys know, I did wash my hair. It is completely dry and blow dried, so just wash, nothing else in it, no pre-stylers or nothing. Just we're gonna see what the product does on its own. So let's get with the smallest dime size. Now, I noticed with this product, you don't want to put on too much, especially in a dry application, because there will be a bit of tug and pull. So a little bit of this product goes a very long way right there. As you can see, it goes invisible. And let's start on the back. And as you can see, I already feel it. And this is great. No tugging and pulling when you put on just that little dime size. It's just perfect. Right now, it's just smooth. No tugging or pulling. Now, this is a dry product. So, like I said, all you need is just a little bit of that dime size. The first time I tried it out, I put on a lot, and it was a dry application, and it tugged and pulled. So I figured, just, I kept trying it out, and I noticed that just a little bit of this product, it's very strong, so you don't need too much of it. So let's go ahead and start the front. And as you can see, just a nice, easy application. And you can already see the strength of this product. It's already starting to work. It's just looking very nice. Now, what's nice about this product, it is completely matte. It is just as matte as a matte product can get. So once again, that adds to the dryness. Usually when you have a super matte product like this, it's gonna be dry. But all you need to do is just make sure you put on the right amount, and you'll be good. As you can see, just a very easy application. The hold is very strong, very nice, just super easy to get a hairstyle effortlessly. And I mean, as you can see, just my hair is looking great. Very nice. So definitely love the application. Alright, everyone, let's go ahead and go with the final style. Let's go ahead and give this my overall verdict. So from 1 being the least and 5 being the best, I definitely want to give this a solid 5. This was a super awesome, great product. I mean, no flaws whatsoever, guys. I loved it. I loved the way my hair looked. It was just super matte. It did exactly what a fiber is supposed to do. It just makes your hair look full and healthy and thicker, which is, you know, usually what the fiber does, and it does that exactly. It was great. Down from the packaging, the scent, the texture, the application, everything was on point. Washability, very easy. As you guys saw the application, as long as you just use that little bit of dime size, you'll be great. If you use too much, there will be a little bit of tug and pull, which is, I want to say this is the only little knock about it, but I mean, aside that, like I said, if you use just the right amount, you'll get that perfect application. Like I said, this is a super matte product, guys. There's no shine in here whatsoever. So if you like a matte product, you're gonna love this. As you can see, I got no shine whatsoever. Hold is really great. I mean, incredible, because it looks like you have nothing in your hair, and the hold is just super. Just, it's gonna stay there. There's a reason they call it super, because the hold is really super. So definitely really enjoyed it. The scent, can I say about that scent? I mean, it's just amazing. Even though the scent, it is strong when you smell it. In the hair, you can't really smell it too much, just here and there. But honestly, I wish it was a bit strong, because I would love to smell it in my hair. But it's not gonna collide with your cologne, so that's okay. Like I said, washability, really easy to wash off. Shampoo, conditioner, it's out. There's keratin in here, guys. Great ingredients, so this is good for your hair. That keratin is definitely gonna help, you know, you take care of your hair. So definitely this is great, because, you know, hair products like this with good ingredients give you longevity, and that's exactly what you want, is longevity in your hair. So once again, perfect 5, guys. Definitely check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link below where you can get yourself some Hairbond super hair fiber. Check it out, everyone. Well, guys, this concludes our video. I definitely enjoyed making it for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. To my subscribers, you know I love you guys, and I'll see you here next time on GQR Style and Fitness.